Hello everyone, welcome back. This circuit is extremely simple and low cost. Only a few components are enough to create an LED flasher. The DIAC acts like an automatic electronic switch. The capacitor stores energy and releases it periodically. When the capacitor voltage reaches the DIAC trigger voltage, the LED flashes instantly. This process repeats continuously and creates the blinking effect. The 1N4007 diode helps convert AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. This circuit works directly with mains voltage, so extreme caution is RC time constant. Increasing the resistor or capacitor value slows down the blinking speed. Reducing the resistor or capacitor value makes the LED blink faster. Advantages: very low component count, cheap and easy to build, compact circuit size, no transformer required, good educational project for beginners. Disadvantages: no electrical isolation from mains voltage, not suitable for high power LEDs. Blinking speed is not very accurate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more electronics projects.